How to fix keyboard shortcuts not working on Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Microsoft Word application. Then tap on File, go to Options. After that, go to Language and tap on Match Microsoft Windows Default if you have not already. What you have to do is in this choose editing language section, you have to make it to English United States and you will be done. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.